Hello, all beautiful people over there. Now, let us start with the exercises of direct and indirect speech. Now, grade 9, you're going to change the following sentences into indirect speech. That is exercise A. Few of them I have solved for you people just for the guidelines how to do it. Remaining sentences which you see over here, the space answer space is blank or empty, you have to do it on your own as your homework. Okay, so as you can see over here in exercise A, remaining sentences over here in exercise A, total sentences are 10. Out of them 2 I have solved. Same as for your I guess it is change the following sentence. Exercise B, change the following sentence into indirect speech. Out of 5 I have solved for you people 1. Okay, if there are more sentences, let me check. Yeah, you have only 5 sentences in your exercise B. I'm a little bit confused because grade 10 they are having 10 sentences in exercise B. So okay, so let us start with exercise A. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. Third one, Fatima asked the people, would you listen to such a man? Would you listen to such a man? So Fatima, इसको कैसे किया है देखो. Fatima asked the people, or instead of asked you can also write inquired. Okay, Fatima inquired the people. I have removed the inverted commas and comma after people, right? And instead of conjunction that, since this is a question statement which has started from the model would, for that I have used the conjunction if, or you may use whether also. Fatima asked the people if they would listen to such a man. So this is I have converted it into a statement. It is not a question anymore in the indirect speech. So I have given full stop at the end of this sentence. Okay. So whether it is a question, when it gets converted into indirect speech, it becomes a normal sentence. So you have to give full stop. So when it is in the direct speech, Fatima asked the people, would you listen to such a man? Fatima inquired, or Fatima asked the people if they would listen to such a man. Full stop. This is the complete correct answer. Now see the example, statement number 7. Sit down, boys, the teacher said. Now here teacher is commanding, right? It's an imperative sentence which where the teacher is commanding the boys to sit down, right? The teacher commanded the boys to sit down. In the imperative sentence we use the instead of the conjunction that, we use the infinitive to plus verb. So here I have used infinitive to plus sit. Sit is verb. The teacher commanded the boys to sit down, full stop. So this is the correct answer, right? In this way you have to do the remaining sentences or convert them into indirect speech. Now let us concentrate on exercise B. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. First one, what a naughty child this is. Now it's an exclamative sentence, so you have to speak giving expressions, right? Because exclamatory mark is also there. What a naughty child this is. The woman laughed. So the woman laughed and exclaimed that he was really a naughty child. Now what I have did here, so instead of laughed and exclaimed, you can write the woman exclaimed happily. In this way also you can also write the woman exclaimed happily that he was really a naughty child. Now this का हो गया that he was really a naughty child. इसका that नहीं हुआ यहाँ पे. इसका क्या होना चाहिए? Have I made mistake over here? The woman laughed, or the woman exclaimed happily that was really a naughty child. हाँ, he की बजाय हम that भी लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, because this वो word this यूज हुआ है ना, और जो changes in place and time में जो हमें बताया था this का that होता है, राइट. सो यहाँ पे दिस का दैट होगा. द वुमेन exclaimed happily that that child was really a naughty child, or that was a really naughty child. Okay, now in this way you have to see the minute changes, okay, because these minute changes makes your 2 marks or 1 mark. सो छोटे 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 मार्क्स करके पूरा मार्क आपका चला जाएगा. इसके बजाय आप ध्यान से पढ़ लो क्या रूल्स और रेगुलेशंस हैं, और उसी हिसाब से आपको सेंटेंसेस का कन्वर्जन करना है इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में. Okay, now I want you people to do the remaining sentences and please send me the images with written in dark pencil, okay, so that it is readable, right? So in the evening, so I can check them. Okay, I will send you definitely the answer key of the remaining sentences. Then you can check or verify it by yourself. Okay, till then, bye.